Time is the ultimate builder. We are standing on the edge of a massive shift, watching the Big Apple get the ultimate glow up. From the concrete jungle we know today to a crystal paradise straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is 75 years of leveling up. This is New York 2.0. Here we go. The classic Manhattan skyline, looking iconic before the remix drops. Engines are cutting out. Times Square is trading the noise for that electric hum. Subway is getting a serious upgrade. No more grime, just sleek lines and speed. Down by the water, we're prepping for the future, building walls to keep the ocean back. Brooklyn Bridge vibes are changing. Gas cars are out. Clean energy is taking the lane. Fifth Ave is flipping the script. Drones are owning the air. No honking allowed. Central Park is still the MVP, looking sharp against all that new glass. Even in the rain, the city hits different. Neon reflections and smart lights everywhere. Hudson Yards is reaching for the stars. We're stacking floors like there's no limit. We stopped looking out and started looking up. Rooftops turn into gardens. The Big U is finished. It's a park and a shield. Totally genius. Filling up the tank is ancient history. We charge up in minutes now. Super fast. River traffic is back. Silent electric ferries gliding over the East River, smooth sailing. The city is on that hustle. Robots building skyscrapers faster than people ever could. 15 years in, the lights are cooler, the air is crisp, the vibe is shifted. Glass isn't just glass anymore. It's grabbing sunlight to power the whole building. Concrete is out, green is in. The Chrysler building is rocking a vertical forest. We're catching the wind now. Turbines spinning silently right over Broadway. Why walk the street? We got glass bridges connecting towers way up in the clouds. Farm to table? Nah, roof to table. Growing food 1,000 feet in the air. Bye-bye asphalt. The streets are green parks now. Pedestrians run this town. The water is actually clean. East River looking blue and fresh. Tech fixed it. No more sharp edges. Buildings are curvy and organic, looking like they grew there. Look up. It's a drone superhighway, delivering packages in perfect formation. Central Park at night is a whole mood. The trees literally glow in the dark. The High Line just got a massive expansion, winding through the steel canyons. The port is fully auto, machines moving containers like it's a game of Tetris. Morning fog rolling in. The towers poking out look like mountains in a video game. We control the weather now. Glass domes keep the chill out so we can chill. Total harmony. Tech and nature finally getting along. It's a paradise. Screens are dead. We got giant holograms swimming through the air. Absolutely wild. Forget tires. We're flying now. Air taxis taking off straight from the roof. NYC has layers. Walkways in the sky for the views. Industry down below. These towers are massive. Self-contained cities reaching straight into the clouds. It's given Cyberpunk. Rain-slicked streets reflecting all that purple neon. Robots are doing the heavy lifting, welding steel beams way up high. Traffic looks like a computer chip. Streams of data pulsing through the city veins. Perfect weather always. Indoor parks with fake suns. Who needs the outdoors? We ran out of land, so we built on the water, floating pyramids in the harbor. Fashion is digital now. Glowing clothes and AR glasses are the new drip. That new spire is insane, piercing the atmosphere covered in ice. Drone racing is the new sport, zipping through skyscrapers at breakneck speeds. Storm incoming? No stress. The energy shield just flickers on and blocks it. Grand Central is next level. Magnetic trains arriving faster than a bullet. The skyline is packed tight. Millions of people, neon lights, pure energy. Isaac Newton who? We just turned gravity off. Buildings floating on magnets. Midtown is in a bubble. A massive glass dome keeping everything perfect inside. Unlimited power. Fusion beams shooting blue energy straight to the grid. The city got a bleach job. Everything is white ceramic. Super clean. Super future. Can't tell who is who. Androids walking dogs just like regular people. The buildings are breathing. Giant filters sucking in smog and puffing out oxygen. We're going to space. Shuttles blasting off right from the bay. Under the sea, glass tunnels winding through an underwater city. Lady Liberty got an upgrade, a glowing halo of energy. She's powerful. Self-healing walls, tiny bots fixing cracks instantly. Nothing breaks anymore. Who needs night? We got space mirrors reflecting the sun, 24/7 daylight. It's dead silent. Soundproof tech makes the busiest city super peaceful. Living above the weather, the rich folks are floating on cloud islands. Commute is instant. Step in a tube, dissolve, and show up somewhere else. Last sunset of the century. The city looks alien, majestic, and totally unstoppable. Welcome to 2100. Sunrise hitting towers made of crystal and pure light. Streets are gone. It's all rivers and forests now. A garden in the sky. Taking the elevator to space. A tether stretching from Central Park to the stars. Reality is optional. Controlling the world with holograms and brain power. Hudson River is turquoise blue. Crystal clear water. Clean as a whistle. Cars are ancient history. Just orbs of light floating around. Respect your elders. Empire State is in a glass museum case now. 2 moons in the sky. One is rock. The other is a massive space station. Pure wonder. The kids of 2100 seeing a world with 0 limits. Buildings that are alive. They shift and move, breathing with the people. We are all linked up. A web of energy connecting every soul in the city. Lights down. You can actually see the Milky Way bright above the city. We're ascending, floating up past the gardens into the deep blue. From space, NYC is just a glowing jewel, proof that we made it. 75 years of dreaming big. Welcome to the future. We went from the noise of the old school to the silence of the stars. This wasn't just a guess, it was a promise of how crazy things can get. The future isn't someplace we're going, it's something we gotta build, brick by brick. The canvas is wide open. What you gonna create?